Hello everyone. In this video, I am showing you a supported address data type field and its relevant configuration in Zoho CRM. Earlier, we captured the address information across multiple fields or using a one long text field. Like as you know, in the lead or the other standard modules, there were some address information sections in which we have a multiple different fields, and also we just use a multi-line text fields as a long description or for a long address information. Right now I will add a new address field in the leads module. Let's have a look. I'm just going to the setting icon, open the module and fields, choose the leads module, standard, and added a new address data type field on the layout. In the address we have all the fields are disabled, only we have a one enable option which is flattened house number. If you want to keep this field enabled, then you just mark that checkbox enable, otherwise you have to disable that as well. Right now I am just enable this field, and if you want to select the country, set any country name is default, then you also do it. So I want to keep the country as India as a default. If you want to create the same field for the other modules, then you also have an option for account, contact and deals module. I'm just save this field on my leads module layout, and after that I have to create a one test record in the leads module. Open the lead module, add the few details, test lead, email ID, and also added a one standard address field details. I'm just adding a one address here. Just a minute. Just entering this value here. India, Karnataka, zip code, address, yeah. So I'm just saving this test record, and let's have a look on the detail view. So in the detail view, it's all the details should be look like this in the address field. And once you modify this address details, then you just click on the pencil icon. So address data type fields give you a everything is stored under the one component field, but is still broken into a smaller components like a state, zip code, country, which saves the user time, avoid duplicate values or spelling errors. Let's talk about the few limitations and the benefits of this field. Benefits are, one of the biggest benefit of this address field is that it comes with the ready-made global set of countries and their state. When someone chooses country, it's automatically filter it out their states. I'm just choosing the Indonesia, and based on that Indonesia, it's automatically filter it out the state values. I'm choosing the India, and you also see it's also filter it out the state, which we have do it earlier with the help of two drop down fields and use the sum map dependency rules. With the help of that we just filter it out, but now Zoho provides it already. And it's also provide the coordinates fields as well, like a latitude and longitude. Based on your address you also add their address, latitude and longitude. Based on that it pin the your address on the map view as well. So this is about all about the address fields. Next we just check out, like you might also want to show us some limited set of countries where you operate, or add us some custom state values or reason which you serve this flexibility handle through the global set features. So I'm just showing you the global set features, how to configure and customize the address fields, some few of the settings based on the countries and this for the state fields. So I just click on the setting, go to the global set. In the global set, Zoho provide the countries and the state global set list. So if you want to customize it, like if you want to show us some few of the countries values, and based on of that you also want to customize the state option, then you also have an option, like you just select the selected countries which you want to show, and after click on the next button you also select or unselect the or customize the state options as well. So this is all about the global set features. And if you click on the save button then it's automatically reflected. Okay. And after the limitation of this address field is its support for all module except activity modules, user modules, linkage module, and you can add up to a two address field in each of your modules. So now if you want to, if you want to pin your customer address in the map view, then in the preferences module they have a one options or a setting which you call the map view and the suggestion for the address fields. Once you enable this field, and after the enable this toggle you have to create a new lead, then the particular address should be reflected on the map view. Otherwise map view option should not be reflected on the different types of reports. Let's have a look. So I have created the this lead. Okay. And I also showing you the map view as well. So this is the map view. Once I click on that map view, as you see my lead test lead, it's showing address not available, because after adding this lead I just enable that toggle, right? So I just need to create a new lead. So I'm just go to the lead module again, add the new lead which is called, also adding a few of the details, also added the address. As you see the address default country shows as India, and if you want to entering the some of the details of your country, of your address, like I'm just adding a one address. So see it's also showing the suggestions of your address. So I'm just choosing a one suggested address. If you click on that expand button, then it's automatically fill it out the address in all of the address fields automatically. And once I click on save, uh, see the address is automatically reflected. And you also have an open in map. If you want to check this address on the Google map, then you easily check it out. And if you want to modify, and the pencil icon should also be available. And after that, once I selected the map view, automatically the address should be reflected or pin set of that particular customer address should be reflected on the map view as well. If you click on the map view, then it's showing the lead information and the address of the customer as well. If you want to modify and add or remove the few of the fields in the lead info section, then you can easily do it. Just go to the setting icon, modules and fields, leads module, standard, and in the standard quick create view, in that quick create view you just easily add and also uh, adding any fields or removing any fields. As you see, so sorry, I had just by I'm so in the, not in the quick create view, in the detail view you just need to add the few of the fields if which you want to show on the pinbar detail section. So I just customized, click on the customize option, and also if you want to show the lead source, then you just enabled it and click on done. Maximum 5 fields you can add on the detail view. Just click on save and go back again. Yeah, so once I click on the same pin bar, my lead source field should be reflected now. And if you want to address the customer data in your leads module based on the address fields like city, country, zip code, then you can easily do it. Like you just added it here, like I'm just filtering it out based on the country. So I just added, and also I just select, or the option is India, and I'm just filtering it out. So it's showing the two leads here, right? And after that, it's also provide a one more filter for the address fields, which is based on the radius, nearby location radius. You can filter it out your all the customer details like the current organization and within a radius of whichever you want to check, like a custom 5-10 kilometers or a 3 kilometer. And if you want to add a some custom kilometer range, then you can easily do it. But it should be a, that radius should be within a 1 to 161 kilometers only. So these are the few filters they have support. The address field should be supported in the Zoho CRM. So this is all about the address fields new feature which are supported currently in the Indian domain in the Zoho CRM. I hope this video like it you like it. Thanks you.